What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Meezy Mill, back today with some more knowledge. Now look, in today's video, I will be teaching you how to meditate properly. I'll be focusing mainly on mindfulness meditation, but there are many forms of meditation out there. I will make more videos about the deeper meditations, but this is just a very basic level of understanding of what meditation is and how to do it. Now, before we get started with this video, make sure to hit that like button, drop a sub, join the Meezy Mill family. It's nothing but love on this side, and I strive to help everybody reach a level of understanding and consciousness so that you can live your life and be happy with no fear, okay? No fear, bro, nothing. With that being said, the first step that I'm gonna teach you is to not be afraid. Do not go into meditation with a fear mentality, because that will result, that alone will hinder your results tenfold. That will stop you from reaching anything within meditation. Now that you're not afraid, what you need to do is to be in complete darkness. The best times to actually meditate is around 3 to 4 a.m. or right whenever you wake up. Now, whenever you first wake up or right before you go to sleep, your brain is coming from delta to theta, going into the conscious brain waves. But since you're in these lower brain waves, your brain is still halfway asleep and halfway awake. So what you can do with this is program yourself to get what you want during your day. Now, whenever you wake up and you meditate, you can use that to program yourself for the day. But whenever you go to sleep, you can program yourself for the next day, or you could go into a deeper state of meditation. The deeper state of meditation is best to do at 3 and 4 a.m. Now, the number 2 step I'm gonna tell you is to get comfortable. Now, the best that I have found for me to do is sit in a crisscross applesauce, one leg over, one leg under, and put my hands on my knees, because this starts a centrifugal force within your body. It allows your flow of energy to circulate just like this, and you are able to assume and contract energy within your body, because your body is just an electromagnetic force field anyway. Now that you're comfortable, number 3 would be to set an intention. What is the purpose of this meditation? Are you meditating to clear your thoughts? Are you meditating to program yourself for a reason? Whatever that intention is, make sure that you set that intention. But the purpose of this video is to help you clear your thoughts and set your intentions for that day, because this is very important. A lot of people just wake up and go on with their day, and they don't know what they're going to do, and they don't do anything to be productive. So if you want to be productive, you can meditate and program yourself to be productive. Now that you become comfortable and you're aware of your intention, close your eyes and you will start to hear or see thoughts. I don't know if it's like you, because you can't hear, whatever, but you're going to hear or see your thoughts. Understand that you are not your thoughts. Your thoughts happen the same exact way your stomach works. Now, what I mean by that is, during the day, your stomach digests food without you doing it, okay? Your brain sends you thoughts without you doing it. Those thoughts just come to you based off of what frequency you're on. Now that you understand that, you will be able to see your thoughts and observe them and not be in them, okay? One important tip about clearing your thoughts is to just be in the present moment. Don't worry about what Booba and Bison is doing down the street. Don't worry about who is going to call you whenever you're going to go here or what you're going to do when you do there. Be in the present moment. That is the most effective way of meditation. Be in the present moment. Pay attention to what's going on right now. What's happening right now. That's it. That's all that matters, okay? Now that you're in the present moment, you're aware of what's going on right now. You see your thoughts coming, but you don't push them away. You let them come. The number 1 tip I will give you is to focus on your breathing. What this does, it takes your attention off of everything outside. It focuses on your internal life force. Your breath is your life force. A tip that I would tell you about breathing during meditation is breathe through your diaphragm. Don't breathe through your chest. You breathe through your stomach, and your stomach should contract and expand like this. Then once it expands, you can then bring your breath into your chest. You can hold it for like 2 or 3 seconds and then breathe out. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Bro, I'm telling you, your brain will start receiving oxygen, because you are oxygen deprived during the day because you breathe through your chest. Society has somehow taught us that we should breathe through our chest instead of our stomach, and it deprives us from the oxygen that we should be intaking. So you're focusing on your breathing. You're understanding that nothing around you matters besides what you feel, how you feel, what's going on right now. You will then begin to condition or program yourself during your day. Now, what I do is when I first wake up, I tell myself, I'm gonna record a video, I'm gonna do this. I just basically map out entirely what I'm gonna do during my day. Everything, like literally everything. What do I wanna get done? I know exactly what I'm gonna do. And whenever I come out of meditation, those things just happen. I don't have to think about it. Those things just literally happen because I've already programmed myself to do it. So it's just like, instead of living a life where you're programmed by someone else to do something for them, you're programming yourself to do something for you so that you can be productive instead of being productive for them, for everyone else. It's you. The only thing that matters in this universe is your ass. All right. Hopefully you can understand the basics of meditation through this video. If you didn't, or if you want more explanation on what meditation is, how to do it, deeper levels of meditation, go ahead and make a comment. Tell me what you want to know. Anything that you want to know about life in general, comment down below. I'll make a video on it because I'm here to help the people. That's what I'm here for. That's it. You feel me? Pretty much that's it. Meditation is simple. Don't be afraid. Go in that bit. Be in your... Just sit there, bro. It's simple. Well, with that being said, I love y'all and come back tomorrow.